Hello dear students, welcome to Lucky Tutorials. My name is Lakshman Singh Hajeri, physics lecturer. So ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಎರಡು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ from the first chapter of a second PU first chapter of the one of the important question 5 marks question na solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So that is electric field at a point on the axis of a dipole. Okay, so before solving this, so now let us know what is dipole. First dipole andre ಏನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So what is dipole? Dipole is nothing but it is two equal and opposite charges separated by the small distance. So adanne nanu draw martini illi. So here is the charge, here one more charge. So let me take plus q and minus q. So illi ಎರಡು charges na consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಒಂದು plus q ಒಂದು minus q. So ಎರಡು charges middle separation, there is a small separation, one small separation irutte. So this small separation, again two equal and opposite charges separated by the small distance, is nothing but a dipole. So how to measure this dipole? Measurement of distance na measurement hang ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. It is measured by the center of the dipole. So let me take it as a O ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಿ. So O2 plus Q, so this distance is A. O2 minus Q distance is A. So overall distance it is 2 times A, 2A. Overall distance, positive charge ಮತ್ತು negative charge, overall distance is 2A. Okay, so this is nothing but a dipole. Idu dipole. So now I am calculating electric field on the axis of the dipole. On the axis means, so let me take on the same axis, plus q and minus q are there. So on the same axis, let me consider a point P. Illi ಒಂದು point P ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಿ. So on this point B, let me calculate the electric field. Okay, ಈಗ electric field calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ at this point due to positive charge and negative charge. So ನಮಗೆ already ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So electric field lines are starts from the positive charge and end to the negative charge. So ಇದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟು, so see here, electric field due to positive charge on the point P. So electric field due to positive charge on point P ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? So it is away from the positive charge. Okay, so let me take it as E plus Q. Okay, electric field due to negative charge. Negative charge ninta electric field out direction irutte towards the negative charge. So this is E minus Q. So these are the two charges to electric field due to two different charges. Okay, so what is the distance between this point P and the dipole? So it is always measured by the center of the dipole. So ಈ distance ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ measurement ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Center of the dipole. From the center of the dipole, so the distance to the P is R. ಈ distance ನ R ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So this distance is R. Okay. So what is the net electric field due to these two charges? ಈ ಎರಡು charges ನಿಂತರ net electric field ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? So it is nothing but E plus Q minus of E minus Q. Okay, it is the net charge on this at this point. Okay, so first of all, plus Q, E plus Q and E minus Q formula na are electric field due to positive charge and electric field due to negative charge na ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So that is, see, electric field due to positive charge. We know, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ electric field ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾವ ಅಂತ. So electric field is nothing but 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So again the charge Q divided by, it is R square, distance square. So what is the distance? ಈ P ದಿಂದ positive charge distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? So ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So P2, we always measure the distance from P to center of the dipole. So center of the dipole distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? R. Okay, but it is not the original distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Again center ನಿಂತ Q distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? A. R minus A is the original distance. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ R minus A. Okay, so we know it is distance and it's a square. So ಇದನ್ನ square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So similarly E minus Q Similarly, E minus Q na formula ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Again charge Q is there, again minus Q, negative Q ಗೆ distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, so it is R plus A, R ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ A, so it is total distance is R plus A whole square. So these are the electric field due to positive charge and negative charge. Okay, ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನ ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈ ನೆಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R minus A whole square. Minus charge, minus of electric field due to negative charge, it is nothing but 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R plus A whole square. Okay, so simplify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Again ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So that is E net is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Again Q is also common, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು. So then bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ remaining terms R minus A whole square minus of 1 divided by R plus A whole square. Okay, so this is the term. So final term, see, so ಇದನ್ನ LCM ತಗೊಂಡು simplify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. So E net is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So LCM ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, product of these two terms, it is R minus A square into R plus A square. Okay, so cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿ, so R plus A square minus of R minus A square. Okay, further simplification ಇನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ E net it is equal to, so see Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught as it is. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿ R plus A whole square, R plus A whole square ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ A plus B whole square ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ A plus B whole square ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, A square plus B square plus 2AB. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ R square plus A square plus 2 times R A. Okay, A square plus B square plus 2AB form it is. Next minus. Okay, so minus bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಿ, because minus it is applicable for the whole term, so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಿ. Next A minus B whole square form it is. So ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ A R square plus A square minus 2R A. Okay, so divided by A term as it is. So ಇದನ್ನು again this is also ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, R minus A R plus A. So it is A minus B A plus B ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ A minus B A plus B ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, A square minus B square. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ R square minus A square again whole square as it is. ಅದನ್ನ whole square as it is. So this is the one. Further simplification, E net is equal to Q minus 4 pi epsilon naught. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇದು R square plus plus minus plus minus. So ಇವೆರಡು R square cancel, A square cancels. So minus plus it is. So remaining with the 2RA plus 2RA ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 times RA divided by R square minus A square whole square as it is. Okay, so you'll note from this step, so I know ಈ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, dipole moment. What is dipole moment? So dipole moment is denoted by P. It is nothing but a product of a charge and a distance between two charge. Okay, Q into 2A. It is dipole moment. So ಈ term na ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Okay, so this term will becomes here E net is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So see ಈ q ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ q into 2a, q 4 ಇದೆ 2 into 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೊ 2a, so it will becomes p again 2 times p into r divided by r square minus a square whole square. Okay, so it will become next point p again ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ r ಮತ್ತೆ a ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ r is very greater than a. So r is greater than a as compared to, so I can write r is greater than a. So by this condition, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಂದ I can neglect a, ಏನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ನ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಎ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎ, ಏನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇ ನೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 2pr divided by ಏನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ r square raised to square. Okay, or directly ನಾನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ so it is nothing but r raised to 4, 2 into 2 4 directly ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So then 1r cancel, so net electric field 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, so remaining with 2p divided by r cube. So this is the net electric field on the axis of the dipole ಮೇಲೆ on the axis of this dipole p point p ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ p ಮೇಲೆ net electric field due to these two charges ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, it is E net is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p divided by r cube. Thank you.